outermost spiralics with a total width of 10 to 15 kilometers. Total width of 10 to 15 kilometers. 10 to 15 kilometers. One side. And its altitude varies from. देखो अभी ये पहले बार किलोमीटर से मीटर में आया है, करेक्ट है ना? 800 meters to 1100 meters. Till now we have been saying kilometers, correct? Now it is for the first time coming in meters, not kilometers. 900 to 1100 meters above sea level. Second, the last point. It mainly consists of unconsolidated sediments brought by rivers. Unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers. The valleys are covered with thick grading. Valleys are covered with thick grading. The valleys are covered with thick grading and alluvial deposits. Check all the three ranges and tell me where you find difficulty even now. Any point, any line, any help, explanation, support, whatever. Very sure there will be more than 2 full-fledged Himalayas. You have to be thorough. Middle Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, foothills. It's altitude, stubborn birds. If it feels at this point difficult for me to learn, at this point I don't understand. At this point I don't want to climb. Read it. Again, main point on the second division is the northern plains. It is the interplay. Interplay means 3 rivers have come together. This is the interplay of 3 main rivers. First, or you write in only one line, the Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. The Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. Along with all tributaries, along with all of their tributaries. There's one lovely plains. As different from Himalaya, you should understand this also. Let's check. Yeah. That much वाला still लोग ने अपलोड नहीं किया.
This plain is mainly made up of alluvium in the Indian subcontinent. In this video, we shall learn about the northern plains of India. The northern plains of India is the second largest geographical division of India, the largest being the Indian plateau. The North Indian plain lies between Himalayas to the north and the plateau region to the south.
Is this point correct? Himalayas है Indian plain. In between क्या है? देखो, this goes up till Assam and this is even a part of Rajasthan, correct? ये भी है. So western part of Rajasthan only desert, but it is not.
It has an area of 6,77,638 square.
Just recall it as आपका book में रहेगा 7 lakh square kilometer. Why 7 lakh? Because it is 77,638. आपने को याद नहीं रहे. So they will take it as 7 lakh.
This plain is mainly made up of alluvium deposits brought down by the Himalayan rivers. The North Indian plain stretches from Rajasthan in the west to Assam Valley in the east. It has a total length of 2,400 kilometers. The width varies between 150 to 500 kilometers. The North Indian plain has an average elevation of 150 meters.
What is elevation here, man? What is elevation? मतलब कितना बड़ा है? If I am saying this is my North Indian plain, are you seeing how much it is filled? So greatest height is 150 and the lowest height is Assam में रहेगा. कितना है? Only 50. And that is also very high, 50 meters. That's why these North Indian states are famous for what? Famous for what? Agriculture. Majority states are agriculturally advanced.
Whereas Himalayas, the average height is 6,000 meters. The plateau region of India is between 300 to 900 meters. And the coastal plains, the elevation varies between 5 to 30 meters. The North Indian plain is divided into Rajasthan plain, which is generally studied as a separate physical division of India. Then Western plain, which covers the state of Punjab and Haryana. Central plain, which covers the states of Uttar Pradesh.
So this is a division of plains. Huh? One is Punjab plain. Are you saying Punjab plain? And now he is explaining which plain. Central plains. We'll be studying Punjab, whichever area it is, Haryana. Okay, let's see.
Bihar and West Bengal. Eastern plain, which covers Brahmaputra Valley and the Delta region, which is popularly known as Sundarban Delta. The Rajasthan plain lies to the west of Aravalli Range. This region is divided into two parts, the Marusthali and Bagar region. Marusthali is the actual desert region. It stretches from Rann of Kutch up to Punjab and Haryana. It is 650 kilometers long and 300 kilometers wide. This region is now characterized by shifting sand dunes, extreme climatic conditions, sparse vegetation, and thin population. The sand dunes are classified as Seif and Barkhan on the basis of their shape, size, and wind direction. The Rajasthan plain slopes towards west and south. The northeastern part of the region has an average elevation of 300 meters, while the southeastern part is less than 150 meters. There are many small scattered hillocks making the western edge of the Bagar. Rajasthan Bagar refers to the semi-arid region. So Marusthali refers to the desert region and Bagar region refers to the semi-desert regions. This region lies to the east of Marusthali. This region is further subdivided as Luni Basin because this region is drained by river Luni and its tributaries. Then the Shekhawati region. This was the regions of Shekhawati Rajputs. Then the Gaggar Plain. This region is known as Gaggar Plain because river Gaggar, an inland river, terminates in this region.
It's an inland.
After the Rajasthan.
So we won't go detail. Are you understanding? So from here to where we are going? Assam. Actually, let's proceed. You got a great idea of northern plains. So like it is broadly subdivided into. Next point. Oh, wait. Did I leave some lines over there? Just read me the last line. Oh, that's okay. Full stop. It's mainly formed of alluvial soil. It is mainly formed of alluvial soil. It's mainly formed of alluvial soil and total length or total area. How much? You remember? Total area is how much? 7 lakh square kilometer. It's huge, huh? 7 lakh. 7 lakh square kilometer with and broadly dense populated regions. Physiography, broadly dense physiographic division. Next point. Its total length is 2,400 kilometer. Total length is 2,400 kilometer. And the width varies between 240 to 320 kilometers. It is also referred as next one, or it is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. It is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. It is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. With broad three main divisions. Remember which was the first division? The Punjab Plain. Correctly, right? The Punjab Plain. The first division is the Punjab Plain. Underline and highlight. It forms the western part of northern plains. It forms the western part of the northern plains. Lies to the lies nothing, and formed by river Indus and its tributaries. Now just listen for a while. River Indus and its tributaries. Now if you see the map of India like this, correct? There will be river Indus flowing into India like this. If anybody asks you why Punjab got its name Punjab, Panch means five, correct? Wab means fertile land. It is Punjab. Why is the word five referring what? Very good. Tributary of river? It is in there. Any idea looking at the volume? Who can tell me? Everyone, Satluj, the Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Jhelum. Why Punjab is so rich? Why Punjab farmers are so rich? Because of this beautiful location. One, they have alluvial soil. Fertile soil. On the top, is it Punjab short of any water? No. If I want to tell you exact river Indus, it flows into Pakistan also. 2,900, out of which only 800 kilometers, 837 kilometers flows into India. Pakistan 2,000 plus flows. When India and Pakistan had a war, we had a treaty called Indus Water Treaty. Now very soon, the present government might go for that also. Indus का पानी हम आपको यूज करने दिया, वो भी हमारा पूरा इंडस को तो नहीं रोकेगा, but Indian government is planning to construct a dam. मतलब they have given to China on lease, अब dams बनाओ पानी यूज करो ships के लिए, that's not allowed. but अभी कौन बोले Chinese और कौन समझे अपने भाई पाकिस्तान और कौन अपना रावण को समझे, जो भी मिस्टेक किया है तेरा ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर ने की, कौन था? वो Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Even this part of India is called as Aksai China. It is not with India. It is given to China as a vote of friendship by the great Prime Minister. And ये part तो अपने पास है भी नहीं. ये तो मालूम है ना? इतना ही है. ये पीओ के अपने पास नहीं है. What is POK? Teaching international politics. You don't know what is Indian politics. Both POK can. Now I'll send you back to Himalayas. Any idea? Pakistan occupied Kashmir. नहीं सुना अभी तक POK? और सुना था किधर था? अभी ऐसे तुम्हारे डायलॉग किधर था भाई? किधर है POK? There are three regions which are coming under POK: Gilgit, Sindh, and Baltistan. अगर इंडिया में ये दोबारा ले लिया, it is comprising 3/4 of Pakistan. Pakistan फिर और छोटा हो. अभी पाकिस्तान even not as big as Maharashtra. Maharashtra उससे geographical बड़ा है. फिर भी हमारे जैसे कंट्री के साथ डीलिंग कर रहा है. कौन कर रहा है? पाकिस्तान कर रहा है ना? हाँ, उसका बड़ा बुक है. Is China. In fact, there is one Chanakya dialogue करके अभी भी मैंने research देखा था बस. There is one major Gaurav Arya. उसका नाम सुना है? नहीं सुना है. He keeps talking. He has a deep knowledge about what Pakistan is all about. ये सब आप लोग न्यूज़ में बिल्कुल नहीं देखते हैं, या न्यूज़ ही नहीं देखते हैं. That is very bad. This is that fellow. He was caught in a ice and he was stuck into the ice. So he forcibly retired, but he retired major. ये तो करना है तो मेरे अंदर तो इतना भी नहीं समझता है Means he talks more about India and he talks more about what is this Pakistan looking into. Whenever I talk about this river Indus, they are having 5 tributaries: the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Satluj. That's why Panjwar, which is the state Punjab. Okay, let's write that. It's all there in the volume. Please copy down as 5 Indus and its tributaries. Copy kar the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Satluj, and the Bias or Bias. I'm sorry. बोलना भाई बाकी सब पूछ सकते हैं Your school reopen very quickly. Tell me the unit test portion. So some school might not follow the order. They will suddenly jump up the order. Correct? Palampur has finished. Yes, I finished. Happy? Let's go with the next point. This plane, or this part of the plane, is mainly dominated by dwarfs. Understand dwarfs? किधर मैंने लिखा dwarf? Punch dwarf. They are dwarfs. अब फिर से bracket में लिख लो fertile land, very fertile land. Let us go to the next plane. Take Ganga plane. We have finished with Punjab plane. Second part of that. Take Ganga plane. Let us finish together. Point number 1. It is the largest lowland. It is the largest lowland drained by the Ganga. It is the largest lowland drained by Ganga and its tributaries. Largest lowland second point. Yamuna is the most important river. Very important river. Yamuna is the most important river. Along with its tributaries, making this region more fertile. Making this region more fertile. Let us go to the third, the Brahmaputra plain. The Brahmaputra. Third point, the Brahmaputra. also known as Assam Plain, also known as Assam Plain, and most of the area is covered by Assam. Also known as Assam Plain, as most of the area is covered by Assam. And the main river, Brahmaputra, is a braided river which carries lots of sediments. Main river Brahmaputra is a braided river which carries lots of sediments. Just for a while, these are the two start and end point. But due to heavy deposits, you see, the water tends to bulge. What a bulging? This is called a spreader. This is called a spreader. And when these deposits are not there, it follows a normal path. But initially it is following. But due to this heavy deposits brought by which river? Brahmaputra is which river? Braided. Draw this picture in your notebook. Please use a pencil only. Always try drawing the diagram with a pencil. Please draw it and write braided. They start studying the testing. Keep once I finish my lecture, they keep the test. You haven't faced any test of geography? Not even a single. Palampur or physical education already. I hope you are not ready now. Braided river बोलेंगे जब जब तो river छोटा हो जाता है तो we call it as braided channel. What is the next? In the para, depending upon the relief and soil structure, depending upon the relief and the soil structure, northern plains are further grouped into, depending upon the alluvial deposit. The northern plains are further divided into. And just write the heading one below the other. If you want, I'll mark it in your column. The Babbar, the Tarai. Babbar and the Tarai. The Bangar, the Khaddar, the Bangar, the Khaddar, the dunes. Maybe comedy. We have certain places called Patli Dun, Patli Dun. The dune word last. We'll mark it all in the book. And last is the Kankad. Kankad is the full stony plain, full of stones. Right? Let's mark it in a volume. Diagram भी clean नहीं है. वो अच्छा है, उसे लोग गणप्रीत सिंह के साथ तरफ वो भी बढ़ रहा है। एक्शन में कुछ नहीं करूँगा, मतलब काम में बस मुंह से बोलेगा मैं माउंट चढ़ गया, वो बोलेगा मैं इंडियन प्राइवेट स्कूल चढ़ गया। वॉशिंगटन डीसी में हम लोग गए कि नहीं गए, आना है उसका नंबर ही मिले Now that is that's clear. Let us see Baba underline narrow belt is 260 kilometers. What is the total length of our North Indian plains? 2,400. And what is its width? देखो देखो they 242 310 ना 302 उसका width कितना है? टोटल लेंथ कितना है नॉर्थ इंडियन लाइन किधर के क्या नोटबुक 2400 kilometers and width is 310 kilometers. Okay, sure. Narrow belt, this is running in east or west direction along the Shiva Lakes. What are Shiva Lakes? The foothills of Himalayas. Okay, Himalayan streams descend. What is descend? They come down. These are porous and gravel written. Porous which allows the water, what are gravel stones? Seen only in the rains. What is seen only in the rainy season? Gravel. ये upper. Actually, तराई मतलब आप कभी वेस्ट बंगाल जाएगा ना, ये सुनना. सुंदरबन सुना, सुंदरबन सुना है. It is popular for its sundari trees. And sundari trees पे deers बहुत आता था, सर्विस का. And then deer को hunt करने के लिए कौन आता था? हमारा Royal Bengal tiger. So what human beings have done? Cut all the trees. इधर आ जाएगा. नहीं जाने के okay. The Royal Bengal tiger was found in large number in this Tarai region. अभी ना ये सुंदरी है, ना ही antelopes है. Antelopes are all kinds of deers and which are shared each. Aligned and some are many things. The porosity of the surface is so high that most of the stream and flow under. What is the sinking? Stream ज़्यादा पानी नहीं है, it goes underground. And underground ये flow होता है. चलिए आपको ये जो upper में streams का दिखेगा, only during the rainy season. बाकी तो वरना ऊपर से stone से नीचे से पानी बह रहा है. Yes. Okay. Third, marshy tract south of rubber running parallel is marked by re-emergence of underground stream. अंडरग्राउंड स्ट्रीम कहाँ अंडरग्राउंड गया? बबल में गया ना अंदर, और कहाँ बाहर आता है? तराई. तराई इज अ मार्शी एरिया. अगर आप कभी किचन एरिया में कभी गया है, ये जो अपना किचन एरिया है ना, मैंग्रोव्स है. So that river which has gone deep into Babbar, it has come out from where? From Tarai. Okay. So total area is drained to the thick forest. Thick forest na Angas, underline, older areas forms terrestrial, floodplain, Khadar, underline. You have to distinguish रहेगा, but that time I give. I will give this singular design. You know the difference between women and women. Woman is singular, women and plural. I mean, man or woman category. And मतलब 6 people together. नहीं, हम पर एक ही बात है. और मैं मतलब ना बहुत सारे हैं. बहुत सारे. कितने बहुत? दो से ज़्यादा मैं हूँ क्या? दो से ज़्यादा मैं. और एक से एक रहेगा तो. Pakana. Okay. Then concur underline. Soil in this region contains कैसा pronounce करेगा? Calcareous. Come on. Calcareous. Calcareous. You understand? The only known as concur. Rooms. These are originally temporary lakes. है ना? अभी क्या बन गया? They are blocked by the river water coming down. Now uplift of the Himalayas. As the river is carved out of their own course, lakes are dried up. The boundaries are underlined. Debris, पहला लेक था, जब पहला रिवर था, अभी हिमालय का उप्लिफ्टमेंट से कट ऑफ हो गया। तो जितना भी पानी था वो सूख चुका है, अभी ये डूम्स, and there are many dooms in India. What are the dooms I said? Totally, I just दिया। देखो देहरा dooms, तो देहरा भी ये डूम से बना हुआ है, डूम्स, है ना? These are underlined, flat valleys between Himachal and Shivalik. Example, there are चलिए read on. In the next 1 minute we will write Peninsula Plateau. आज घर में जाके आज क्या ये पूरा लर्न करेगा. How many divisions we have done? North Indian plains, Himalayas, and we are going to do which plateau? The Peninsular Plateau. Before you write, you understand. I might have explained on that day, correct? This is considered to be the oldest landmass. Why oldest landmass? When entire Indian plain was formed, पहला जो बना वो यही था. And इसका origin कैसा है? It is volcanic origin. You understand what is volcanic? Many volcanoes might have made this plateau. So it is a raised upland from the normal land. Let's write Indian plateaus. Example. He has a lot of spelling. You won't mind that. You can write now without looking. So, Likhna, point number 1. It is a triangular landmass. Triangular landmass that lies to the south of river Narmada. It is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of the river Narmada. Anybody want to see where is Narmada? इधर है, दो रिवर है, एक रिवर है नर्मदा और एक रिवर है तापी. ये हमारा नर्मदा और नर्मदा का साउथ में क्या है? The Indian Plateau. There are two rivers which flows into Arabian Sea. Which are the two rivers? All other rivers flows where? They all flow into Bay of Bengal. तो हमारा याद है West Coastal Plains is narrow. मैंने बोला था याद है कि नहीं? East Coastal Plains is broader. ये इंडिया का जितना भी रिवर्स है सारा डिपॉजिट कहाँ करेगा? इधर ही करेगा. Because हमारा Bay of Bengal यहीं पर है. So if somebody will ask you Bay of Bengal Islands, which island it is? Andaman and Arabian Sea Island. Lakshadweep. Don't get confused. Huh? Lakshadweep is towards Kerala, and Andaman Nicobar is towards Tamil Nadu. So Kerala is in which coast? Western coast, and Tamil Nadu is in the eastern coast. So in the eastern coast we have Bay of Bengal, and to the western coast. Clear? So let's write. It lies to the south of river Narmada and many mountain ranges surrounds its broad bays. Many mountain ranges surrounds its broad bays. For example, Mahadev Hills. Mahadev. Michael range. Okay, this is the Michael. I'm don't write the Michael junction or the Michael. Hills. Hills. Mahadev Hills. This is Michael range. I don't know. You have to pronounce it different. How do you make the pronunciation different? Even Michael. Michael Jackson. Michael range and Kaimur. Hills. Yeah, how are these hills named? First of all, how they name the hills? Okay. He was the British fellow. I don't remember his first name. His name was Kuch Everest. For the first time, he only found this mountain, and he said this could be. That time, Kakura's name that. This could be one of the tallest mountains. तो जिस बंदे ने पहली बार उसका ये किया, उसके ऊपर से उसका नाम एवरेस्ट हुआ। हाँ, you don't know this people. So इसी का चीज मेरा पोर्शन रह जाएगा। Naming ceremony of Mount Everest. जैसा उसका नाम रखा ना। हाँ, seriously. And normally these hill ranges are all interesting stories. Mount Everest. ALSH तो Indian fellow है।
Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world and is located in Nepal, a country in Asia. It is part of the Himalayan mountain range, which has some of the tallest mountains in the world. Climbing Mount Everest is a big challenge that requires a lot of preparation and determination. Climbing Mount Everest. Climbing Mount Everest is a huge challenge that takes months and sometimes even years of preparation. The air is thin and there's less oxygen at the top of the mountain, which can cause altitude sickness. Climbers need to be physically fit and mentally prepared for the challenge. Sherpas. Sherpas are the people who live near Mount Everest. They are experts at climbing the mountain and help climbers by carrying heavy equipment. Sherpas are an important part of any climbing team, and they have helped many climbers reach the summit of Mount Everest.
कोई तो ऑनलाइन ये भी है सीरीज भी है जिसमें ये शर्पास लोग क्या करेगा कोई भी टीम के लिए they are the people who will guide and they will take you to certain height and then they'll come back because उनका वो जनरेशन तो लोग उधर ही रहता है शेरपा बोलते शेरपा.
Reaching the summit of Mount Everest is a huge accomplishment. It's a moment that climbers will never forget. It takes a lot of preparation, strength, and determination to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Altitude sickness. Altitude sickness is a condition that can happen when people climb high mountains. It's caused by less oxygen at higher altitudes and can cause symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Climbers need to be aware of altitude sickness and take steps to prevent it. Frequently asked questions. What is the height of Mount Everest? Answer. Mount Everest is 29,029 feet tall. Where is Mount Everest located? Answer. Mount Everest is located in Nepal, a country in Asia. What is the Himalayan mountain range? Answer. The Himalayan mountain range has some of the tallest mountains in the world, including Mount Everest. Who are Sherpas? Answer. Sherpas are the people who live near Mount Everest. They are experts at climbing the mountain and help climbers by carrying heavy equipment and showing them the way. What is altitude sickness? Answer. Altitude sickness is a condition that can happen when people climb high mountains. It's caused by less oxygen at higher altitudes and can cause symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Why is climbing Mount Everest a big challenge? Answer. Climbing Mount Everest is a big challenge because the air is thin and there's less oxygen at the top of the mountain, which can cause altitude sickness.
Okay, let's finish off our chapter. People can keep showing you a lot of videos. Maybe. What was the first line that I've given to second plateau? Okay, did I say it has this plateau has broad and shallow valleys. This plateau has broad and shallow valleys. Come on. Along with rounded hills, rounded. It's a sharp hills region. Along with rounded hills. Two broad divisions. Next point. Two broad divisions. Two broad divisions. Tribal one is Central Highland. Central Highland, not island. The Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. Two is the Deccan Plateau. We are going to write for Central Highland. Don't need to write the points also. You do one thing. You can pull the arrow like this and start writing A, B, C. You understand? Lies to the north of River Narmada. North of River Narmada. It is bounded by Indian range. I'm writing that words. Bounded means surrounded by Indian range. And to the south, Indian range in south, and to the north, Aravalli Hills. And to the north, it is Aravalli Hills. Next. Westward extension. Westward extension. Joins with westward समझ में आ रहा है? We are towards moving towards Rajasthan, है ना? Westward extension joins with sandy deserts of Rajasthan. Sandy deserts of Rajasthan. The flow of rivers in this region, the Chambal, the Betua, the Sindh and the Ken. The Chambal, the Betua, the Sindh and the Ken, K-E-N, Ken. The Chambal, the Betua, B-E-T-W-A, the Sindh and the Ken, K-E-N, Ken. I'm saying all of them. Keep on writing. Last point from the same heading. It is wider. It is wider. In the west, narrow in the east. It is wider in the west and narrow in the east. Let's go to, you have written A, is it? We एक Central Island है ना? इसमें भी one लिखना, छोटा one. And you write Bagelkhand Plateau, Bagelkhand. Bagelkhand. Yes. Bagelkhand Plateau. Point number one. It is the eastward extension of plateau इसी का वन का सेकंड पार्ट, सेंट्रल आइलैंड का सेकंड पार्ट. So you have written A earlier, is it? Now you write B. Wait, show me the ये है ना सेंट्रल आइलैंड का एक पार्ट है. So you write ये हो गया ना, you make it wait, this is from ये Roman है, अभी ये Roman के लिए टू है, हाँ? Yeah, this is a part of this central island only. But I can cut you अलग आएगा. It is the eastward extension of this plateau, locally known as. Already आप लोगों ने बागेलखंड लिखा है ना, locally known as बुंदेलखंड. बुंदेलखंड and बागेलखंड. Locally known as बागेलखंड already spelling है, कुछ relevant नहीं. Last sentence. Chota Nagpur Plateau. What is Chota Nagpur Plateau? It is mainly popular for its mineral. Many people say it is next to Nagpur. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. It is in Jharkhand. Who is Jharkhand fellow? Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Ranchi. उसका गांव है. और छोटा नागपुर का इंडिया का 60% मिनरल्स ये एक छोटा सा जगह से आता है. You know what are minerals? Why geography is not very interesting to anyways. What do you do in history then? Never I have something suddenly. Our history. Are you understanding? Which chapter is one? Did you understand fully? Take interest now because I feel sometimes you guys are overburdened. ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना? Is geography very interesting? Really? So yes, I know. The Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the eastward extension. The Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the eastward extension, which is famous for its mineral resource. Which is famous for its mineral resource. Which is famous for its mineral resource. Damodar is the main river flowing in. Damodar is the main river flowing in. I write main two. Which plateau we are dealing? The Deccan Plateau. Shall we mark it in the volume? Or you guys prefer my short notes? Not only will do. Here पहले बोल रहा हूँ. Explain step by step. We are into Deccan Plateau. It is a triangular landmass. It is a triangular south of the river Narmada. Did I show you river Narmada? The Satpura ranges underlying flanks taken and like surround. Yes, the Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently eastward. If I want to show you the map, okay. This is the one, and this is the Deccan Plateau. You remember? जो रिवर नर्मदा था उसका जो नॉर्थ में था दैट इज सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, करेक्ट है? एंड इसका साउथ में क्या है? विच प्लेटो? डेक्कन प्लेटो. अभी हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वेस्ट एंड ईस्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? वेस्ट मतलब टुवर्ड्स गुजरात एंड ईस्ट मतलब टुवर्ड्स इधर कौन सा स्टेट है? Odisha. So now we are into Deccan Plateau and we are marking the east and west. ये दोनों मिला के हमारा इंडियन प्लेटो बनता है. North of the Narmada is Central Islands, जिसमें क्या है? बुंदेलखंड and Baghelkhand. Which two plateaus? They are part of which plateau? Which is to the north of river Narmada and towards the south of river Narmada, Indian plateau का second part Deccan Plateau. अब Deccan Plateau भी यहाँ कोई. Plateaus are also visible in the northeast and northern southern pole. मेघालय. ये plateau मेघालय तक जा रहा है. And ये local name है, अगर नहीं याद रखा तो छोड़ो. अभी remember, it is Karbi Apollo. One say Karbi. Where is it? Meghalaya. It is separated from Chotanagpur by another North Caption Hills Canal. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats marks the western and eastern boundary. Just look into the diagram. ये मेरा Western Ghats है, तो मेरा Indian Plateau का कौन सा boundary बना? West boundary. और ये मेरा कौन सा जाता है? Eastern Ghat. ये किसका boundary बना? Eastern. Of which plateau? Indian plateau. Are you understanding? Western Ghats become the western boundary of Deccan. Eastern Ghats become the eastern boundary of Deccan. Absolutely clear? Okay. Let's proceed. Western Ghats lines underlying parallel. They are continuous and can be crossed with passes. हमारा हिमालय का passes जैसा है the Western Ghats. अभी मराठी में इसको हम लोग सह्याद्री ही बोलते हैं. मराठी न्यूज़ चैनल पे तक Western Ghats. And these are very much rugged, continuous. And passes मतलब छोटा सा space. छोटा मतलब इतना छोटा नहीं रहता, 15 किलोमीटर का रहता है. 15 kilometers is very big for even, but for the mountain range it is not. 1500 किलोमीटर का है, and उसमें 15 किलोमीटर का एक pass. But now what I'm saying, 15,000, 15 kilometers. So that is very Western Ghats are higher than Eastern Ghats. Average elevation of Western Ghats is 900 to 1600. As against Eastern Ghats, they were more shorter. Eastern Ghats are discontinuous and irregular. What is dissected means? Divided. It is cut by whom? The rivers which are flowing, Narmada, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna. And we have a perennial rivers and non-perennial. What is the difference between perennial and non-perennial? Perennial means North Indian rivers are perennial. Why they are perennial? Throughout the year, they have snow and rain. जबकि हमारे Deccan Plateau में non-perennial, तो एक ही source है. पानी कहाँ से मिलता है? Rainfall. Rainfall होने के बाद भी 4 से 6 महीना अच्छा पानी रहेगा, बाकी टाइम तो नाला की तरह ही रहेगा. समझा what is the नाला? Not our building nala. Okay, Western Ghats are orographic range. And Western Ghats are known by different local names. Local names jaan na ho jata hai. Orographic means when the mountain is coming in between the clouds. Orographic. Windward side more rainfall, eastward is opposite side. Have you gone to Mahabaleshwar? Have you known place of Panchgani? महाबलेश्वर का डॉक्टर पंचगनी दिखता है नीचे छोटा सा गांव है. महाबलेश्वर is on the windward side, जहाँ rainfall भी अंदर से मिलता है. वाई आके 1960 है दोनों महाराष्ट्र. So that part of the orography, that is the mountain आने की वजह से rainfall बढ़ जाता है. The highest peak is here Anaimudi, that is in Tamil Nadu. Yodapeta, Mahendragiri. That peak yaad hai, never in my name peak on the peak. Anaimudi, bolo everyone. And Mahendragiri. The Aravalli Hills lies in the western and northwestern margins. Highly eroded. Aravalli mountains of the what क्या बोल दिया? Hills. What has happened? Rounded off. I remember your answer. The extent of Gujarat to Delhi is only one of the distinct features. Second word, peninsular distinct feature is its black soil, known as Delhi. Maharashtra में आज का black soil दिखता है. It is rich for what? Cotton. हम लोग इसको rich cotton soil भी बोलते हैं. This is volcanic origin. For your assignment, homework. And to take your day. The map we develop, you click the extra map, get outline. Tell your answer. Question number 1, question number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Page number 179. You have any questions, doubts, you can ask me. Give me explanation. Whatever question extra I give you, write it in your note. So this chapter is 90% over, only 10% is left. Next time also I will continue with geography only. So please bring geography, maps extra. I will do chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 maps together. Okay? Outline only. Chaliye, thank you. I'll see you by